your final answer is the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 5. Okay guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to factor this type of polynomials. Okay. So the factor method that we can apply to this polynomials is the factoring by grouping. So you have to group these terms and get the factors. So first thing to do is you have to group the factors. So for example, we have this x squared plus 4x. You have to group that one, right? And this, you have to group this one also. 5x and 20x. And after, get the greatest common factor in each group. So for x squared plus 4x, the greatest common factor of this binomials is x, okay? Have you noticed that you can determine x factor here, and here also you can determine x factor here by 4 times x, here by x times x. So just put the greatest common factor outside of the quantity and divide these terms by the greatest common factor. So x squared divided by x, and that is x. Okay? To divide terms, just simply subtract their exponent. So we have one exponent here, and here we have two exponents, and just simply subtract 2 minus 1, and that is 1. And that is why our quotient is x. So copy positive and divide this one 4x by x. So when you divide 4x by x, x divided by x, that is x to the power of 0. And we know that the 0 exponent, or x to the power of 0, is 1. So 1 times 4, that is 4. Okay, so we have this term already. Okay. Next is you have to factor this other group. So we have 5x plus 20. And the greatest common factor here is obviously 5. So we can determine 5 here, not for 5 times x. On the other side, we have 5 times 4. Okay, therefore our greatest common factor is 5. And then put 5, or the greatest common factor, outside of the quantity. That's why you have this one, 5. Then enclose the quantity, then divide these two terms by the greatest common factor. So 5x divided by 5, so just cancel 5 by 5 into 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 1 times x is x. Okay, so next is positive 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Have you noticed, guys, that we have the common binomial here, which is x plus 4 and x plus 4. Okay, write that one as one form. Okay, so we have here x plus 4, and pair this GCF, which is x and 5, into the other quantity in factored form, x plus 5. So hence your final answer is the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 5. To check that one, just simply apply the FOL method to multiply these two binomials, and if you reach this original polynomial, I was going to say your factor is correct. That's all. Thank you.